Which investment will make you a crorepati fastest? SIP, PPF or gold? Investing rupees 10,000 monthly to reach a corpus of rupees 1 crore is a popular goal in India. The main options that we get here is SIP in a mutual fund, PPF and gold ETFs. They offer different types of timelines, risk and rewards. But I will tell you in this video all the details which will be research based and the comparison on how quickly each can help you to reach 1 crore along with the strategic insights. Let's start with SIP. A systematic investment plan in equity mutual funds harnesses market growth over a long term. Equity funds are volatile but have delivered historical annual returns of around 12 to 14% over extended periods. Assuming a conservative 12% of annual return, a monthly investment of rupees 10,000 will grow to rupees 1 crore in about 20 to 21 years. That timeline can reduce to 18 or 19 years if compounded at 14%. But in this, returns are not guaranteed as they depend on the market performance. Risk very high, but lowest if spread over a long term and diversified. Taxation. Long-term capital gain taxes applies, but SIPs in equity are among the most tax-efficient instruments for a long-term investors. Today I am talking about that you should invest in mutual funds, SIP or gold. But one investment that will surely give you the highest return is to invest in your own skills. In today's world, business entrepreneurs, students and even freelancers need to master digital marketing. Whether you want a better job or grow your side hustle, or even scale your business, digital marketing has become a must-have skill. That's why I recommend the Advanced Certificate in Digital Marketing and Communication by MICA, offered on Upgrad. It's from MICA, one of India's top marketing institutes, and you also get executive alumni status. You'll learn not only SEO, social media, branding and analytics, but also cutting-edge generative AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney. The course is hands-on with 12 plus live projects, including running real ad campaigns and analyzing results with Google Analytics. After the core modules, you can specialize in areas like branding, marketing, analytics, social media and content, PR or even generative AI. The best part is that learners have seen real results. On average, a 32% salary hike with over 3,000 career transitions supported by 250 plus hiring partners. And since it's online, you can learn anytime, anywhere, with one-on-one mentorship and 24/7 support from Upgrad. So if you have been thinking for upskilling your future, this is one of the smartest investment that you should make in yourself. Do check out the link in the description for more details. Let's continue the video. Let's come to PPF now. Public Provident Fund is one of the India's safest investment options, backed by the government security and fixed annual interest. Currently it is 7.1%. Regular monthly investment of rupees 10,000 would approximately take 28 years to accumulate 1 crore rupee. The tenure can be extended in 5-year blocks after the initial 15-year period. Returns guaranteed and tax-free, but lower than equity. Risk very low, ideal for conservative and investors who do not want to take any risk. Taxation, it gives the benefit of section 80C, where this scheme falls under EEE, that is exempt category, where there will be no tax. That means tax-free. Gold ETF. Gold can shine in terms of speed to rupees 1 crore only if high returns continue. As of 2025, the top performing gold ETFs have delivered a 10-year annualized return of about 13.46%. At this rate, a 10,000 monthly investment may reach to 1 crore in as little as 14 years. However, gold is cyclical and may unexpectedly underperform for stretches. If I talk about returns, they are strong in the recent run but historically less consistent than equity. Risk very moderate, with gold acting as a hedge during market stress but remaining vulnerable to global prices cycle. Taxation. Gold ETFs are taxed on non-equity mutual funds, so returns may attract higher tax than PPF, especially if sold before 3 years. You can see on the screen a comparative table which shows in SIP equity mutual fund, the annualized returns are up to 12% and it will take around 21 years to have 1 crore of corpus. Risk level is very high. Tax benefits: it will attract long-term capital gain tax. In PPF, the annualized return is 7.1% and it will take around 28 years to have 1 crore of corpus. Risk is very low and it has a benefit of Section 80C for tax reductions. For gold ETF, the annualized return is 14.46% and it will take approximately 14 years to have a 1 crore of corpus. Risk level is very moderate and it will have a long-term capital gain tax if withdrawal before 3 years. Okay, let's understand some strategic insights. Mixing SIP, PPF and gold. On this, experts recommend not relying solely on one asset. Always consider 60% in SIPs, 20% in PPF and 20% in gold for balancing speed, safety and inflation. Gold's recent run has outspaced equities, but the probability of sustaining more than 12% returns over a decade is very low. Equity remains the most consistent bet for long-term wealth. In case of inflation, ensure your 1 crore remains meaningful by periodically increasing your SIPs and reviewing assets. What do you think are the key takeaways from here? So, gold ETFs can reach rupees 1 crore fastest if recent returns persist but carry risk of cyclic downturns. Balanced approach: combining SIPs, PPF and gold counters market swings, inflations and tax issues. You should always plan and diversify. Match your investment horizons and risk appetite to asset choices for reliable wealth creation. For most investors, starting with a high SIP allocation, steady contribution to PPF for safety and gold for hedging offers is the best chance to reach financial goals efficiently and safely. Okay friends, I hope that now you got that which investment can make you a crorepati the fastest. So what do you think? Will you invest in SIP, mutual fund or gold? Do tell me in the comment section. And I am Mansi, will see you in the next video.
Bosswala. Be the boss.